G5, I played NPD7. And it was a theory, no? I don't know, BB4. C1 now. I thought I should give up the pawn. You should give up the
Then you
pawn.
can try this.
I don't know.
Yeah, I'm not going to.
No. It's okay, you can play.
Playable, but I will.
You played castle.
I thought this is okay, safe position. Okay, let's start from here. A3 I didn't like it, but I thought you should just develop without.
Take it.
Because if BD3, DC4 is a problem.
You should go bishop E2 something like that. Yeah, here DC4 of course. Here I thought taking with the knight. It's complicated, but you should have taken it. Did you see any problem with taking the knight?
No, I can take.
It's a choice, yeah. So I have to play. I thought Queen G5 or Queen H5 would play.
Yeah, it's fine.
Even Queen G5 attack. Different question.
Yes, E5.
Bishop C4, E5. I thought now it's definitely good. Yeah, here I thought you will just take D.
I should have taken.
Queen E5.
No, I missed this Queen G5 line.
Castle. I was planning to go Bishop G4. That's all. Then just if you play F3, I'm a little bit happy. I'll be good. So you think if you move the Queen away, it's just equal position.
Or even Bishop E2.
Yeah, Bishop E2. Little bit. I have 3 versus 2. I will
Yeah,
play
yeah.
that's all. Not too much pressure.
No, yeah, I went castle. Yeah, this line I missed.
Knight B3 is mistake. I mean, this is all
Queen
too
G5.
subtle. Like
Yeah. Knight D4, Bishop H3.
Bishop H3
Queen
is
F3.
Queen F3, Bishop G4.
Like, this is bad.
Queen
This
G3, I thought Knight E4 pick up the rook. Simple finish.
Yeah.
So that's what I saw. Queen F4
Queen
is
F4
not
is bad
good
in
because pawn dominating. Yeah, 4-3. So extra pawn here.
Okay.
Slight edge. No, but this is pawn D4 also was slight edge. Everything is slight edge. Also. Oh, Bishop D4. Yeah, here I should have been little bit tricky. It was correct. I was threatening some tricks. I think from G3.
Wait, I had BD3, no? Somewhere.
No, next move you have.
Yeah.
You don't have a knight.
Here you didn't have Knight D4.
No, I saw 94. I thought we'll just go back to C3.
There's a knight, no?
There's a knight. D3, yeah. No, knight 94 maybe I should go. No, 94 is cheaper, of course. That's
Okay.
the trick. So, I should go knight H5 maybe. It's this simple.
Wait, here?
What is it?
G4 F3.
What?
Takes.
Take takes F3. Oh, here, okay.
Two pieces for it.
Okay.
Knight H5. I missed this. Now I'm seeing it. Now we have to go back to C3.
Wait, this I.
Now I
One
watched the
second,
match.
you played Rook 8, I hear.
Yeah, Rook E8. Okay. One more before Rook E8. We played Rook G3. For some reason, Knight H5 missed. Knight H5 is simple, no? Actually, I think now I'm seeing it's very good.
No, somewhere I saw when you played
The,
this, you had this bishop on D.
There's
That
no
was next move. I
F4.
played, I think I played
There's no F4, I think. Knight H4.
4, yeah, maybe F4 is played. What if I take it H3 or something?
Yeah. It's very risky.
Yeah, I mean, he's saying H3 will take. Then, okay, maybe I can't take F4. Let me know. F4, I'm quite happy I'm not like 4.
Correct.
No, but the point is, I think you're just losing on Rook C3. Bishop minus C3, D5. Okay. Now Bishop D3 only, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought Bishop F3 but mistake. I thought Bishop F3, G3, Knight F4, just like 7.
Just No, so you went.
Knight H5.
Queen
Queen
F4.
F4 is also normal, but here somewhere I should have played correctly.
Yeah,
Bishop
played
D3.
BD3.
Yeah, the thing is, I saw BD3 before. I thought Knight H5 was my plan.
No, I
It's very
first
complicated. Bishop H7, King H8, Rook C3, only G6. I saw this. Maybe I should play this. So this looks good. Now I take. To take a Queen G6, Rook C8. I have some attack.
Yeah.
This I should have done again.
But some
What's
issue
your
with
idea?
mouse.
Just creating the bishop. I mean, if he takes 3 pawns, I feel I'll easily. Because my pieces are way too active. This knight B3.
But this is 4 star.
Okay, where else do you go? I didn't see. I mean, did you see Knight H5? I saw it, but I.
No, I didn't see. Takes.
Maybe rook c4. I mean, this is trouble, like for you. This I think doesn't.
Well, yes, the bishop leave.
I think he wanted to avoid bishop coming to
So
f5.
then we can place you there.
Then he should play bishop. He should play h3. I think this is good.
Yeah.
Bishop f5, just play bishop d3. I mean, position minus, but okay, you can play.
No, what happened here was you went h5.
Bishop d3, h5. Yeah, I thought h5 also was winning. I miss h3.
I played h3.
h4 is not
Bishop
good. No?
d6.
h4
So h4 I'll take, no? So g4.
Yeah, you have. I mean, I thought if I get h3, then I have some chance. But I won't get h3. So you just play king h2 or something.
Or even bishop f5 and
Yeah,
bishop h3. Okay.
nothing.
So bishop e6. Rook d1. Yeah, here actually first I thought
D1 was bad.
rook f3, but bishop. This is there. This tactic is there.
Okay, that's the reason.
Yeah, that's why I went rook d1.
Even bishop d5, I thought this side is perfectly good. I thought now. I mean, I thought I should have a huge edge, but I kind of think it was good.
Because if you move the queen, then such idea.
Yeah, I thought of queen h4. I didn't even see queen back, but queen h4 I thought. Problem with queen h4 is now I can't play h4 to trap it. So you play peacefully knight c5. That's all. And game is on. Now this queen d2 is good move.
Yeah. So takes.
Yeah, now I thought I should just double knight. I don't have any other choice. Bishop c4. I think it was good. E8. I thought this I should have
So
done
you first took.
first day.
No, instead of taking queen, it will be there.
I thought single rook is.
Like rook e2. Just how we have a very strong.
Yeah, maybe it
Yeah,
is.
d6.
D6, okay. Simple. Okay.
Can you even take, no?
Yeah, I don't
Oh, sorry.
Now it's difficult here to defend this.
Oh, with two rooks, stronger rook. Why? Okay, this rook is not active. I thought let's just keep it simple. Plus, I was thinking of some king mates.
There are some tricks like this, knight f5 and all, but okay.
Yeah, if I don't, I mean, I'll just go rook d7.
Oh, g7.
Oh, yeah. Now you have knight f5. Correct.
Yeah. You can't go rook e7.
Oh, then I have to go rook d8.
No, like in this position, okay, once you place this knight d6, okay, so knight f5, something like this. Now, once you place it,
Okay. So,
Okay, takes.
now this is a better
yeah,
question.
just d6.
But still knight d6.
You have it, like I'll have, okay, b6 means what you can see it.
Yeah, NC. No, NC8 is not a threat. You can go rook e7, rook c7, please start. So,
He does not have.
not rook e7, rook c7, rook d8, k8. So, yeah, this is good. Oh, this is also falling.
No, that's not a machine. Right? This is anyway, it's not falling. You can play this.
Right. Knight is.
But
Knight is
Knight
b3
a7.
ಇವಾಗ ಅಥವಾ knight a7.
You are somehow coming
Some
there. So
things are coming.
No, not so easy.
Even I just play because it's simple. Oh, this. Knight a7.
Knight a7, like it's like kind of trap, right? And I'm very happy that this kind of position comes in. Okay, and suddenly. Okay, just play this. Still, you keep playing.
Okay, kind of. Building it, I should play rook c. No, rook c I can't play. Yeah. This seems slowly.
Like, eventually, like, you cannot, there's no weakness over
The
there.
same thing, I thought that position also I should also slowly win, but I think I just rushed into g5, f5 over it. I didn't expect it to become so tactical. I thought.
Suddenly, GS3 has
Yes, yeah.
GS3 has so you might have not seen that.
No, I saw because even if knight f6 check,
King
it's
F6.
just
First,
more.
you know what? I saw king h4 I think before. I thought g3, gf2 queens. Then I
G3,
knight
knight
f2,
d4.
knight f2 I missed.
Huh? Oh, G3
G3
knight.
knight
G3 knight
d4,
d4,
GF2
knight f2. I thought g3 just queens. It's impossible.
But not even knight f2, man. I have many moves.
Look,
One
look,
knight
look.
g3 also is there.
You can't take this a7 because knight will get back. I don't know what I should do here.
No, this position is not, it's a equal position. But still, white has advantage.
Maybe this king gets fight help.
You just take the pawn.
Okay, same thing I should do. King G7.
I was not sure whether to go for this
I should have
also.
gone for this one.
Maybe
This
this.
should have been easier probably. No? King E7, knight C8. I
Hey,
thought-
no.
No. Come back.
Come back, knight C4. King F6. Maybe okay, both sides will be like, but probably I think so.
Wrong.
No, dude, this rooking game I thought it was under control. I just missed rook e2 f4 check.
Ah, yeah, that was good. F4 check. I mean, without F4 check, that point
Without
was
F4 check, it's
very
wrong.
critical. Yeah, so
It looked
Maybe I am better.
I think I'll lose.
it looked equal to me also.
I thought I'll lose the king and one.
He found some good
No,
moves
he will
there.
lose.
He found some good moves.
No.
See, the
If
problem
he exchanges
look
rooks
at
here,
the problem
I have advantage.
F4 if I play now, okay? King B3. Now if I play B5, King E4, I lose. Yeah.
You said like f5, g5 and all, right? I think that's the way to play, right? Otherwise, if you play passively, he'll hold it.
No, I thought that was wrong. That's
Okay,
what-
I thought that's the way you should try it for a win.
Nothing yet. He'll not lose. How will he lose? Huh? King E4, let's say he'll play. Okay, let's say King E6.
Wait. Actually, this is one nice. B4 is
No,
played.
B4. I thought he'll play King
B4.
B6.
Oh, King D3. No, that's good. No, B4, King D3. I'm not that afraid. Right?
Because he'll come there. Because he have this, anyway.
King G5 is this a race or King H4? King
We
C4.
may win actually.
Oh, that I think black is winning.
Black is winning.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. King C5, King C4, B3, King H4, King C5, King G5,
Black is
King
winning.
D4, King G2,
Black is
King
winning.
H4. Black is winning. A pawn. Okay. King. Oh,
It's
fine.
far. B4 is also.
No, the trick, the main trick
Yeah,
is
main
C4.
trick,
Yeah,
C4.
C4. Everything. Maybe a F4 check would be to. I mean, I
But
was quite happy.
if I just keep it like that,
Draw.
Draw, yeah.
Keep the rook. We don't exchange. Just play rook C2 or A.
Yeah, how can I? I think I can't.
Yeah,
even-
yeah.
I
That's
think
what
even without G1, I can't win that. So that's the problem. Otherwise,
He could have played G4 also.
check the idea. So he
No, not check. Before that. What is this?
No, this position I had rook on D3. King on G3. See, this was the position.
On is on f4.
D3.
no I came here. Now you gave check.
Yeah. One move before it was on D3. So here you're saying G4. Huh?
Okay. Just play king to.
Even
King
there is
to
draw.
then try to defend it.
King to G3. Yeah, just try.
Even g4 can be played because g5 check and rook.
Yeah, rook is check. Easy draw.
Yeah, king. No, I knew that. I just missed this thing. Now you played some b5.
No, I didn't. I played B5 after that.
A4, I think.
A4.
Yeah, a4. Yeah, I should just keep.
This is the only way to win 3-2. Like you have to put A4. I just stay up like King F2. How can I even get
Stay
through?
there and then just play the rook given.
Yeah. Anything. B4.
Yeah.
Now in this position.
I mean, I will shuffle for like maybe a million moves, but nothing will happen. I can't even. I mean, the only hope is if you get the rook to B3 and then some pawns. Like
No, you cannot do that.
yeah.
See, the king will be there. Once the king will be here, you cannot come here.
Yeah,
Now
I
people
played
just
rook.
go and
I mean,
play.
I was planning to put the rook on B3. Then after King F4, G4 is coming. Then I thought like, what is the point of rook on B3? You just push King and rook and make a draw, easy draw.
But still, you can play G4, isn't it? Right? No, you can play
Now you can play G4. That's why I gave this check. I wanted this rook free also. I don't have time. I wanted to play that B5.
Yeah. No, I knew it was a draw. I just missed this f4 and that time.
No, I should have played correctly in the middle.
But as it turns out, even rook d2, king d2, f4 is winning.
Yeah, not winning. It might be draw.